Another fact out of an American university is 87% of any selling is connecting and communicating. 87% is connecting and communicating, and 13% is about the product. I was staggered when I heard that. Now, they say that you can't have a rubbish product. You can't just say, oh, well, we'll do all the connecting and communicating and we'll just sell them anything, as Malcolm is finding with his medical equipment. You know, people are looking for quality because they've been burned. So it's all about connecting and communicating, and how we connect with people. It's not driving them up the wall with, you know, being in touch with them every 5 minutes, but how do you connect with them? How do you provide them with information that builds your credibility but is helping them in their jobs and in whatever they do and building their life? Ray Kroc, who founded McDonald's, he said that, I'll put it under here, we'll get back to that. He used to say, and we used to do this in every franchisee meeting around the country, and he said that McDonald's is about Q, S, C and V. Who can tell me what Q is? Quality. John's probably seen this before. S, someone else? Service. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Good. I just wondered if you'd fallen out of another tree.
I feel like it.
Service. And C?
Cleanliness.
Thank you, Bill. And most people don't get that one. They get everything else but that, cleanliness. But our cleaning man should get it. And what's V? Value. Thank you. Yeah, great. Okay. And we used to present this and remind franchisees relentlessly till one day Peter Ritchie, the president of McDonald's in Australia, was at one of the meetings, got up and said, "You haven't got it right." He didn't say that exactly. He said QSC equals V. You get quality service and cleanliness right, hardly anyone ever asks about the price. You deliver, price goes down the list. Remember we talked about discounting yesterday? When you discount 10%, how much? 67% if your margin's 25% from buy to sell. You've got to increase sales 67% to make it up. And then if we increase 10%, you know, what happens? So QSC equals V.